Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn about table of content group in reference tab of MS Word. So let us start MS Word. Here you can see that your MS Word have been started. In previous video we have read about layout tab, so if you want to learn it, you can go through the video contents in my YouTube channel and you can see the layout tab video there. So let us continue with our new topic, references tab. In references tab, the first group is table of content. So let us know first what is table of content. You have seen in many books that after the page cover there is some instruction, and after that there comes a page in which chapter name and the page number of the chapter have been wrote down. That is only your table of content. The use of this table of content is same as that. So let us know how to make it. For example, if you have written any heading with the help of home heading style, then it will automatically move in table of content. And if you want to add any other heading, then you can use this add text also. And if you want to update your table, for example, if you have made the table of content and again after that you have add any topic, then you can update your table of content by using this. So first we'll start with table of content. For example, we have written two topic, one is video and second heading is theme. For this we have to make a table of content, then just click on the table of content first page. Means if first make this a blank page so that you can write here the table of content. Now just select any one of from there and you can see that your table of content have been formed. Now for example, if there is more than 2000 pages and if you want to go to 199 page or 1099 page, then it will be a little bit difficult to navigate or to scroll down pages. So from here you can directly go to the chapter. For example, if you want to go themes, which is in 3 number page, you can simply select the control key and you can click on it. You will automatically move to that page. So by using this you can make your tasks easy and you can easily navigate through many pages. Second thing is add text. For example, if you have add any text, for example, we will make one more page, a blank page after this, and now here we want to add any text, add any topic, then just click on here and select level 1 or level 2, means the second line of that page. We'll select the level 1. Here we write Tom, and after that whatever the content is in that chapter you can write it. Now if you can see that at the first of the page, this table of content, there is only 2 heading, and now we have write a new topic. Then if you want to make this update, then you can click and update table, then the table of content will be update automatically. Just click on it. Update entire number also you can do, update page number only. We'll go to update entire table and click OK. You can see that the next topic we have written have been come in the table of content. So this was the use of table of content group. Once again you can note it down. Table of content, you can make the table of content by using this. Add text, you can add a heading or the chapter name by using this. And update table, you can update your table after adding any new text or new heading in your text document. So by using this you can save your time and make your tasks easy. So this was for today. Hope you liked the video. Please like it, subscribe it and share it to your friends so that they could also learn it and understand it nicely. In next video we are going to discuss this same topic in Hindi. So the friends who did not understand it now in English, they can see the second video in Hindi and they can understand it. So thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.